Meron ka bang pangarap na negosyo? I believe na kaya mong marating yung pangarap mo. Pero kung iniisip mo na kailangan dumating muna yung pera para matupad yung pangarap mo doon sa negosyo yon, yan yung maling approach. You know, every one of us has a dream. And I believe na dapat malaki yung dream kesa doon sa kakayahan nating gawin. So, ang payo ko is this: umpisahan mo kung anong kaya mong gawin. At huwag mong kalimutan yung malaki mong pangarap. Pero umpisahan mo doon sa maliit. Kasi kung uumpisahan mo doon, ang mangyayari is lalago yung abilidad mo. Lalago yung iyong kakayanan. Because when you start doing something, you will be facing challenges after challenges. Every time there's a challenge, huwag kang susuko, huwag kang bibigay. Alamin mo kung paano mo malalagpasan yung challenges. Mag-aral ka, magtanong ka. And ang makikita mo doon is every time malagpasan mo yung challenge, you are a new person. You are a person who has overcome a challenge and you are stronger than before. So, when you do keep on doing that, eventually makikita mo yung pangarap mo nagiging mas malinaw. So, yung ginawa nating community sa Kapayaman, which is the BIP community, tinutulungan namin kayo para na sa ganon, marating ninyo yung iyong pangarap. What it takes is having a community that encourages you to move up, to move forward, to keep on developing yourself. And a school where you keep on learning, and coaching where you are able to approach our resource people para nang sa ganun, kung may tanong ka, meron kang hinaharap na sitwasyon, meron kang mga advice na makukuha. So, I suggest that you start joining our VIP community.